Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to measure distance with Google Maps, and now let's dive right in. Now to measure distance with Google Maps, first open up your Google Maps application on your phone. And after opening your Google Maps application, guys, in order to measure distance on Google Maps, you'll be required to tap and hold on the location from which you want to measure the distance. And let's tap and hold on location over here. And when this menu appears, guys, you can see there is the measure distance option available for us over here. Tap on measure distance, and this kind of line will appear from the pinpoint where you tapped and hold on the location, and you will be able to measure the distance like this. You can see, guys, at the bottom of the screen. You can also add a point if you want to. Just tap to add a point over here, and again you can go further to measure the distance over here. And with that being done, guys, this is how you will be able to measure distance on Google Maps. So let's try it again. Let's undo this, and let's close this, and let's close this location. And again, let's tap and hold on a place from which you want to measure the distance, and let's tap and hold on it. And when this interface appears, again we can see there is the measure distance option available for us. Tap on measure distance, and again you will be able to measure the distance like this. If you want to add a point, you will be able to add a point to a place wherever you like, and again continue it from there like this, guys. And with that being said, guys, this is how to measure the distance on Google Maps. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.